Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable face tracking in Roblox. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First open up Roblox Studio. While working on your game, click on File, click on Game Settings, click on Save to Roblox. Just need to name it as your game. Click on Save. Now after saving your game, click on File, click on Game Settings. In here you just need to select communication. In communication you just need to turn on enable microphone and enable camera guys. Make sure microphone and camera is enabled over here and click on save for save changes. Now this will allow eligible users to animate their avatar with their movements guys, such as face tracking. Click on file again, click on beta futures. Now in here make sure face capture is enabled over here. You just need to check mark it and select save changes for click on save, click on restart. You will be required to restart Roblox Studio to apply these changes to your experience. Back to Roblox Studio, you can start creating face animation using the avatar animation editor guys. You just need to check my video description for this documentation guys. To make sure your avatar is animated using your movement, make sure you are using an animated captable head. You can read this documentation regarding Roblox head animation guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.